Jenny's Travels and Cruises were able to cruise again. Let's go. We're cruising out of Miami, and boarding was so fast. All we had to do was keep moving, and within 15 minutes we were on board. Oops, they just announced that the rooms are now available. So let's do this. Next stop,
It's small,
the room tour.
but very effective. It's got everything we need. We have some washcloths there. Don't rush to flush. It's just got one sink for both of us, but this is adequate. Some cups. More storage. In this cupboard, there is a cooling fridge. It will not freeze anything. Okay, here we go. I like this because it has lights for makeup. Not that I use a lot of it, but if I did, it would be really adequate, really good. And our television. Place to unpack your luggage. And in here, now we will go to the balcony. It is warm out here. The weatherman said today it would break a record, and I am very likely to believe him. It is warm. And our view from
Goodbye, Miami! Hello, with a band, come on down to the dance floor where we have got your entertainment team right here. They are here to make sure you dance your socks off. The bar is open. The sun will come out tomorrow, but come on down, have a dance. Let's get ready for Sail Away as we say goodbye to Miami. You know it, you know.
Thanks for the watch, YouTube. What a way to kick off a cruise. Keep checking back. We'll do more fun stuff and I'll share everything with you.